Happening now, day 2 in the murder trial of the man accused of being the mastermind in the death of rapper Young Dolph. Prosecutors say 45-year-old Hernandez Govan was the solicitor recruiting the two men who shot and killed Dolph at a Memphis cookie shop. They say he acted as a go-between between the man who ultimately ordered that hit, Anthony Big Jook Mims, part of a rival record label. WRG's Shay Arthur has been following this case very closely. She's live now at the Criminal Justice Center to explain what's going on. Shay, fill us in.
Hey, Greg, things are done for the day. Jury excused just about 15 minutes ago, but a big part of the day earlier this afternoon was testimony from the girlfriend of a man who says he shot and killed young Dolph. She says Govan was her boyfriend's link to Big Jook. First to take the stand Tuesday, Angela Arnold. Per court order, we cannot show her face on camera. She's the girlfriend of Cornelius Smith. Smith, who has been cooperating with the prosecution, testified he was one of the men recruited by Hernandez Govan to carry out the death of young Dolph back in 2021. A hit prosecutors say held a $100,000 bounty, ultimately ordered by Big Jook from rival record label CMG. About 2.5 years after Dolph's death, Jook himself was also shot and killed. Arnold was asked about communication surrounding the murder-for-hire plot.
If he communicated at all with Big Jook, how did he do that?
They said he would talk to Govan, send a message through him.
She also testified she saw Govan at a car wash hours after young Dolph's death. When Smith picked up a cell phone from Govan he had left in the white Mercedes used in the murder. Then, weeks after the murder, in December, she says Smith told her he ran into Govan when he was in South Memphis trying to get pills.
And Govan was like, I've been looking for you. You good? You all right? And he said, yeah, I'm good. He said, Govan was like, I don't know what you done heard, but I ain't said nothing, but we gonna get this money.
In a cross-examination, Govan's attorney questioned her sometimes varying account of events to detectives. She also admitted Smith has a history of lying to her. Another witness the jury heard from was Sergeant Terrence Dabney. Now retired, he was the lead investigator at the time of the case. He talked about finding the white Mercedes used in Dolph's death at an abandoned home across the street from Govan's house, where Govan can be seen in images with the second now convicted killer of young Dolph, Justin Johnson. But Govan's attorney asked him if those involved in the case repeatedly told them Big Jook was the motivator behind the killing, why wasn't he ever questioned?
But clearly, Jook was a suspect in this case. Yes. But he was never followed up with at all by Memphis Police Department at any point in this investigation, even though he died 2.5 years later.
Not at the time, no.
Greg will have more on that testimony later on tonight on the news at 6 o'clock. Court set to resume tomorrow morning. For your news leader, we're live downtown tonight. Shay Arthur, WREG News Channel 3.
All right, fascinating case. Shay, thanks for the update.